Hello students, today we are going to see the topic nutrition in plants and animals. As we all know that nutrition is mainly provided by the food and food provides us energy. This energy provided by food is utilized by the body to perform various metabolic activities in the living organisms like in plants and animals. Okay, so in this sessions, for the sessions we are going to see the nutrition in plants with the help of how they get up the nutrition through the process of photosynthesis, the nutrition in animals, digestion in the human beings as well as digestion in the ruminants. So let's start this session. First we will look over that how the nutrition in the plants takes place. Now we know that nutrition means it is a process carried out by organisms to obtain energy, right, from the nutrients they required for maintaining life, right. Now plants have two modes of nutrition. First is autotrophic and second is heterotrophic. So let's start with autotrophic nutrition. The main process by which the autotrophic nutrition performed by plants is photosynthesis. In this process, plants utilize atmospheric sunlight, the carbon dioxide which is released by us, the water which we give during plantation and all, and it is absorbed by the roots, okay, taken up by the leaves, and with the help of chlorophyll, that is a pigment present in the leaf, right. So here what happens, with the help of these three components, that is sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, plant make their own food, and its food is the glucose, okay. Its food is glucose and oxygen is released in the atmosphere. So main photosynthesis method is that you can say, or the process involves is this: sunlight, carbon dioxide and water combine and plant make the food, that is glucose, in the presence of chlorophyll and give out oxygen. So like this, with the help of photosynthesis process, plants make their own food. As we all know that autotrophic nutrition, in which auto means self, right. So plants make their own food, okay. Now what is the site of photosynthesis? Where does this photosynthesis takes place? It is mainly carried out in the leaf of the plant, okay. Now this leaf has the small molecules which are called as chloroplast. Now this chloroplast are the main, you can say, organ of the plants which undergo photosynthesis, and these structures have the pigment called chlorophyll, green colored pigment chlorophyll, and the green color of the plants is due to this chloroplast. Now this chloroplast has the outer membrane, inner membrane, these stroma cells, granum, and this lumen which has this coin like structure called thylakoids. Now this stroma cells has the capacity to capture the sunlight from the atmosphere and convert it into the chemical energy, or you can say into the glucose. Now here we will have a look on the tissues, the important tissue of the plants. Now the most important tissue first is the xylem, which carries absorbed water and mineral salts from other parts of the body, that is mainly carried out by the roots. In plants, roots mainly absorb the water, right, and then it is transported to the other parts by the tissue xylem. Next comes the phloem. When photosynthesis takes place, the food whatever is formed in the chloroplast, or you can say with the help of the chlorophyll, it is transported to the other body parts of the plant by phloem. So xylem can be called as water conducting tissue and phloem can be called as the food conducting tissue, okay. Now here we can also you can say consider a chemical reaction for the photosynthesis, as it is a biochemical process. Photosynthesis is a biochemical process. Biochemical process means bio, as it is taking place in a living being, and chemical, that is involving a chemical energy, right. So as we have seen, we can make the equation like this, that 6 atoms of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and 6 atoms of H2O, which is taken from the roots, okay, in the presence of sunlight as well as the chlorophyll, which is present in the chloroplast gives out the organic matter, or you can say glucose, which is a food of plant is formed. One molecule of glucose gives out, again the oxygen is formed, it is released in the air, which is utilized by us. So in this type you can say chemical reaction takes place. 6 atom of CO2 and 6 atom of H2 in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight combine to give 1 molecule of glucose and 6 atoms of oxygen. So students, in this session we have seen how photosynthesis takes place, or you can say the autotrophic nutrition of plants. In further session we will see how heterotrophic nutrition takes place in other plants. Thank you.